Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well and I hope you're getting ready for New Year's Eve and a new year. It's going to be a fresh new start. Today I'm collaborating with my friend Bidisha to create a New Year's Eve look that you are definitely not going to want to miss. And be sure to check out the description box for Bidisha's channel link. She'll be talking about her 2022 resolutions. To start off my look, I'm using this makeup tape from Sephora. It's affordable and a great way to get crisp, clean edges. Next, using my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Eyeshadow Primer, I'm priming the lids, and then I'm going to be using the CoverGirl Chocoholic eyeshadow palette to create this look. I'm going in with the most nude shade as a base on my lids for all the other colors, and then I'm going in with this medium brown and applying that to the crease. For some added dimension, I'm using this burgundy shade at the end and also going into the crease with that just to deepen everything up. Going back into that nude beige, I'm just going to be cleaning up my edges. Now for the star of the show, it's the Crystal Fusion Liquid Eyeshadow from Koki Beauty. This is in the shade Galactic. It's a really pretty, kind of holographic dark blue that's perfect for New Year's Eve, and I'm just using the wand to apply it all over the center of my lids. I'm going back into that medium brown and I'm just going to use this to blend the liquid eyeshadow and the edge of the crease shade together so that it is more of a clean transition. It's time to start on the face, so I'm using the No Pore Zone Primer from Milani and applying this all over my face to keep me nice and matte and minimize the pores. For my foundation, I'm using the Lift and Illuminate No. 7 foundation in the shade Deeply Beige. This is a really nice serum infused foundation. And then I'm going in with my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer and applying this to the under eye area as well as any dark spots. For my blush, I'm using the Beach Rose blush from Pixie Beauty, and this is an old favorite of mine, really love it, so just using that. And then doing my brows with my Brow Stylist Definer eyebrow pencil. Next, I'm using this NYX eyeliner and I'm just applying this to the waterline for some added drama. Be sure to curl your lashes, and then we're going to go in with mascara. For my mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Sky High mascara, which is a current favorite of mine. I really wanted some extra glow, so just applying some highlighter from Ofra Beauty. This is in the shade Covent Garden. One of my favorite lip glosses lately is from Amorphous Aesthetics. This is in the shade Sweet Treat. She is a small business. I will leave her link down below, but her products are amazing. I think you guys would really enjoy it. So just applying that all over the lips for a nice nude lip. I hope you'll try this look out at home, and I hope you guys have a happy new year. Be sure to check out Bidisha's channel. It'll be linked down below. Thank you to her for collaborating with me on this video. Happy New Year!